So this week, I'm going to talk about the status of the PPP lending program, the amount of lending that has happened, which is almost 2 decades of lending in the small business lending space, and what lenders need to do to get prepared for the forgiveness piece of the program.
Rohit, give us a quick update on the status of the PPP program right now. Biz2Credit has been deeply involved in this from both aspects. Can you explain a little bit more?
Yeah, so Biz2Credit has been very deeply involved. Our affiliate got approved as a PPP lender in early May, and we were also one of the first fintechs to get a Fed line also. And obviously, we have referred a lot of business to our banking partners, and now we have also, accelerated our own, lending program, and we are processing, thousands of applications as we speak. And we are seeing that a large number of smaller size businesses, minority owned businesses, women owned businesses are now starting to get the money. So that's the good news.
How has this program really been from a lender's perspective? What are the highlights and lowlights that lenders are experiencing right now?
So from a lender perspective, I think at one level it has been a great success. As I said, more than 550 billion has been dispersed. That's like 20 years of SBA lending. More than 4 million plus businesses have got access to credit. So I think that's a great success. Over last 2 months when everybody has been shut down, there has been massive lockdowns. That even in this environment, lenders, more than 5,600 lenders have participated. So I think those are all the positives. I think the negatives have been, the initial challenges with the regulation, the challenges initially with the e-trans system, and also, now the uncertainty that the businesses are facing in terms of the forgiveness. And I think the other big challenge down the line will be that how smoothly the forgiveness program will be run, because the big success of this program will be when a large number of small businesses are able to forgive their, the money that they have got already.
What would you say are the biggest pitfalls that a lender might run into as the forgiveness part of the program starts running?
So one thing that we have seen that even during the lending part of the program, the lenders which didn't pay attention or they didn't have systems to process these applications, there have been a lot of criticism of those lenders, which is unfortunate because that led to a lot of small businesses not getting access to credit. I think on the forgiveness part, the lenders need to deploy the right systems. They need to start early, start the process in a very time-bound fashion. And there will be cases, there will be a large number of cases where if this 75% rule stays, that the amount will not be forgiven. So it's very important to have all the records in place. And also in case where the amount is not forgiven, then the ability to service these loans over the next 2 years becomes extremely critical and important.
So Biz2Credit and Biz2X have developed a platform to help lenders with the PPP loan servicing program. Can you tell us a little bit about what is Biz2X Accelerate SBA offering for PPP loan servicing?
So the key features of the platform is that the banks and all lenders can upload all their existing applicants or borrowers into that platform. They have the ability to get all the payroll data either directly through the company or with our integration into IRS systems to get 940s and 941s, and also the ability to parse data from PDF documents that will be either payroll documents or bank documents, and that will become a very important piece. And then the ability to generate the right forms which need to be submitted to SBA. I think one of the key advantages of using Biz2X accelerator platform is that we are a lender ourselves of this program. Also, we now have a Fed line, so we also understand that lenders which are using the Fed line, what kind of reporting they have to do. So that makes it into a very seamless platform, and that also plays to our strengths at Biz2X and Biz2Credit, where what we do is that we are always in trenches. We are always doing the stuff ourselves, and that way we totally understand the need. My take is that the PPP lending program is at its inflection point right now. While more than 550 billion has been dispersed, the program has hit a roadblock in last 1 week, and the policymakers need to make some tweaks for this program to end successfully as it started. In the meanwhile, the lenders need to get prepared for the forgiveness piece of the program, both in terms of their systems as well as expertise, because that's going to decide that really how successful this program will become.